Well, it's a lovely Saturday afternoon. I've only just been reminded that it's the Chipping Steam Fair's road run tomorrow, and we can't let the side down, so we're going to go for it. Bit impromptu. I only remembered about it when a friend told me about it about an hour since, so we're just going to go through it, make sure it's because it's not a piddly little run, isn't this one? It's like a full-blown 3 or 4 hour away we go type of run. So we're going to take it and diesel it up. We're going to make sure it's got all oils in right places and water, etc., all lights, indicators, because I have absolutely no idea where this run will take us. Same friend said they'd been to just outside Lancaster one year, so that's going to be entertaining for me, innit? So I've opened it up just to air it because it's not been open. Well, I haven't been for a week since Chipping Show last week. So we'll just make sure everything's still hunky-dory, and then all is well. There'll be a short pause now while I go for a dump. Right, now that's up, we'll just have a quick look in here. Oh yeah. Yep. That's the one, that's okay. Right, oil for the front. One's a dip of the sticker. Quite a lot on it. A bit much, I thought. But anyway. No, so that's okay. Don't need any in front. Let's look in back. No. Perfect. Excellent. I can't find the hole, he said on a Saturday night. Oh, honestly. That's it. Again, he said that on a Saturday night too. Right, obviously there's a wanky butty box. We'll remove that. Take it home so Rachel Ferry can wash it. Right, so that's all hunky-dory. So what we'll do now is we'll drop bonnet, and it's a crocodile bonnet. It's weird is this because you have to lift it to shut it. You have to lift it to shut it, lift it up to click it out, and down she goes. And then to put it up, you lift it, and it somehow knows to stay up. Horrible design for access, and I believe that the servicemen complained that much that they actually altered it so that it, after it had gone up like this, it came forward and stuck straight up at the front. But thankfully this is original and not been altered. Right, the magic mushroom to keep the rain out of my hair system. And then the big boy exhaust. Still says David Brown at part number, look. Come on, drop in, don't make me shake you. Come on. Oh, being funny. That's it, we're in. Right. So now we'll start it and make sure we can steer it. Out of gear. Remember, children, never, ever, ever, ever lean into a tractor to start it. A lot of new ones you can't anyway, you have to have your backside planted on seat. But there you go. Not been run for a week, and there you go. Simple as that. A bit smoky when she's cold. No, I thought as much. Needs some power steering oil in because it's leaking like a sieve, I suspect. Oh, yeah, it's like trying to steer a tank. Right. Better find some power steering oil. And I'm back with power steering oil. £12.99 that for 1 litre. Like 13 quid for a litre. I remember getting power steering oil for 13 quid a gallon. But I'm old. Right. And we bought a nice new little juggy thing for the power steering oil. So, everything you need for a good night out. Power steering oil, the juggy thing, and the grabbers. So we'll open it up and pour some in. Much better. Right, where were we? We'll check lights first. Side light, headlights, that side light, and 2 back ones. Excellent. Right. We'll find it. Turn them off. What have I done with the key? Who's eating the tractor key? What did I just do with it? Ah, it's okay, it's in a different pocket. So what we'll do now is shove the key in, because I'm still the only one sad enough to take a key out of a David Brown. Oh, and the ignition and indicators. That's working front. And that's working. So let's change it round. Put the other side on. Yep. Excellent. Right. So now we'll... Off with that. Not that I don't trust the weather, I just don't trust the weather. Excellent. So, all that's working. Right, so before we start it now, to go for diesel, we'll lift bonnet up and check water, check oils back and front, and then we'll go for diesel. Right, we've filled it up. Let's see if it's better to steer. Oh yes. Yep. Yep. Steering grand. Right do. Right, I'll fuel up on the way tomorrow because the place of diesel up is on the way past. So let's call it a draw for today. And let's... it'd be better if I shut car door, wouldn't it? Oh dear. Right, till tomorrow.
The next day.
So we're on the morning of the run. It's a bit overcast. It's threatening rain, but it is okay because I have a windscreen wiper. So we'll get moving. Oh, well, if I've remembered key. Honestly, again, the only man in the world who takes a key out of a David Brown. Lock the car. Oh dear. Oh. Yeah. Oh, right, lads. Approaching main road now. Tigger's on board and quite happy. Well, we're at starting point. It's Chipping Steam Fair's actual showground we're setting off from. Looks like there could be a few here already. Fucking hell. Right. There you go, that's the charity. Good showing. So we'll just see what. Feels a bit warm. We'll just temperature check it, I think. Yeah, it's been stood half an hour, 40 minutes and it's at just 50 degrees. So we'll call that alright for now. We'll check it later on. Now that's a rare tractor, a 9500 6-cylinder. Held together with Farmer's Friend. I'll have to have words with him about those. I don't know if they're not the bungee cords. Fair enough. Big 6-pot power. Look at that. Right, here we are ready for the Forth. Everybody's running. leg stretch at Stonyhurst. Well, leg stretch and pee stop, obviously. Here we are on Bottom at Lickhurst Road. I know this road fairly well because I did quite a lot of work up here at one time. So I'm fairly confident. And here we are going off road, we're going on common. Fucking hell. We're away. Looks like we're on a blooming goat path or something. We're in God's country now. This will have been the old road, the old cart track, I suspect, but I don't actually know. I know it's rough, that's why we're only going steady. River crossing! And then a hill climb. We're back, and here's Jack just pulling in. Grand, it is about 3:30. Right, we're back home. We got back, just got finished with Chippy Run and a brew and a cake down my neck. Well, a brew and several cakes. And it came on raining. So, good day was had by all. I'm not just sure how much they've raised, but I will more than likely find out. So, I think now we're undercover, I think we can do away with wiper. We'll just have backlight on and I don't back into out ridiculous. It's not dark, but it is in here. And we're home. We have to let it run a bit just to cool turbo down. Oh. So yeah, weather's turning foul now, but we're right. So yeah, good day was had by all.